Good day everyone. Welcome to Parent Orientation for the school year 2024-2025. It is my honor to introduce you to the STEAM members of our PSD family. Let's begin with the non-academic departments and their teams. Firstly, we have the administration department led by our beloved school principal, Dr. Alexander S. Acosta, along with his dedicated staff. Next, we have the finance department headed by the BP Finance, Anabelia I. Guzman, along with her team from the finance and canteen. Moving on, I am pleased to introduce the human resources department led by myself, the BPHR, Jefferson G. Bismonte. My team includes the first aid unit and the HR staff. Now, we have the Quality Assurance and Accreditation Department, headed by the BP CAAD, Dr. Lorena S. Villanueva, and her competent staff, which also includes the library. Next is the Office of the Students' Affairs, headed by the BP OSA, Melissa R. Montaire, and her dedicated team, which include the Prefect of Discipline. In the School Maintenance and Services Department, we have the BPSMSD, Josepi Santos Jr., and his efficient team. Moving on, the Office of the Guidance Service. We have the BP Guidance, Jerome B. Constantino, along with his experienced staff. Last but not the least, meet the Records Office, headed by the BP Records, Michaelino A. Saratan, and his records personnel. Shifting our focus to the academic departments. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the preschool teachers and staff, led by the BP of the preschool department, Dr. Nida H. Garcia. Next, we have the primary department teachers and staff, headed by the BP Primary, Dr. Cleope P. Macaraeng. Now, let's move on to the intermediate department, headed by the BP Intermediate, Dr. Wiljime T. Serna. Parents meet the intermediate teachers and staff. Next, we have the Junior High School Department, led by Dr. Caridad A. Cañete, the BP Academics of Junior High School. Here, you will find the teachers and staff of the Junior High School. Last but certainly not the least, we have the Senior High School Department, headed by Dr. Noemi Epor Maran. Parents, meet the teachers and staff of Senior High School Department. Our total staff strength is 195, reflecting the combined efforts of all our team members in providing the best possible education and support to our students. And that completes the PSD family for academic year 2024-2025. Thank you all for being a part of this orientation. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day.